Well, hello everybody. Have we got a show for you? In this week's episode, we are going to be creating Marmite Mia. Here we go again. And this is an iconic British ingredient called Marmite. Now, this is a particularly weird ingredient. It's something that half the population absolutely adore and the other half of the population vomit when they eat. So it really is a classic. I am a total Marmite fan. Sadly, my husband does not share my passion of this ingredient. In fact, he won't even give me a kiss if I've had any. But you know what? I'll stick with the Marmite. So let's have a look at the ingredients. In this recipe, we're going to be doing just a standard soap recipe, and you could add this to any of your normal recipes if you prefer. So we're using olive, palm and coconut oil, our normal sodium hydroxide and water solution to create the lye solution, and we're going to be adding 20 grams of Marmite to that. So let's go ahead and look at the weighing of this delicious ingredient. So I'm going to try and get a nice close-up for you so you can see how absolutely beautiful this is. Look at that gorgeousness going into that bowl. I cannot wait to use this. I really can't. Now, Marmite has a high salt content, so this is going to make the bar particularly hard. And it's actually made from a yeast extract. It's really high in B vitamins, and you ought to try it. If you ever get the chance, do try it. So that's our 20 grams. So we're going to add the Marmite into the oils before we start. We've already warmed our oils up just like you would if you were making a normal soap. If you don't already know how to make soap, I really do suggest that you take a course, look at a tutorial specifically on teaching you the basics from scratch. That's not what this video is about. The Pantry Soap Making Show is all about having fun with ingredients that you have at home rather than you having to order things off of the internet or buy expensive ingredients. But you really do need to understand the basics before diving in. Now let's whisk this up and get it mixed before we start. And there we have all of that Marmite blended in, and now we're going to go ahead and just add the lye solution. There hasn't been any dramatic change in colour, but that salt will make this a much harder bar. And there, that soap has thickened up beautifully now, and we can pour it into our mould. Now, we are not going to be adding any fragrance or essential oil to this. We're keeping it just in all its beautiful natural Marmite glory. I can't think of anything that's really going to go with this fragrance-wise. It is a hero ingredient and it should be celebrated for that. But I would love to hear what type of thing you think might go with the Marmite. So do drop something into the comments and let me know. Is it something that you've already tried before, and how did it turn out for you? Now we'll pop this under the blankets for 24 hours and then we'll come back and cut it. But if you have enjoyed today's show, do remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell at the side if you'd like to be notified of all of the different videos that we bring to you. You can of course texture the top in any type of design that you like. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? I'm sure that there are some Marmite lovers out there apart from myself, so do let me know. I hope you've enjoyed today's show, and we look forward to seeing you really, really soon. Bye bye for now.